When you want to do your absolute best, you use the absolute best. Before I painted my first Ridler winner, I asked all the professional detailers that I knew, what paint do you get the best results from? And all of them said BASF. And that was it. I knew that that's what I wanted to use. Now, I had used other paint companies in the past. I had my cars in their ads, and I bought all of the products to paint the Grandmaster. And when it was finished and we won the Ridler, I brought it back to California, and I found out who the area rep was, and I invited him up to see the car. And when he came in the shop and he saw the car, and I showed him some of the ads with other paint companies that I had worked with before, and I showed him the receipts that we had for all the paint that we bought doing this car. And I said, is there anything we can do in the future to get a better deal on the paint when we're painting these ultimate show cars? He says, let me make some phone calls and I'll get back to you. Well, he called me back and he said, BASF wants to donate the paint for any of the show cars that you're doing in the future. And that's been a godsend. And I don't want to use anything but the absolute best out there. BASF had been working with waterborne paints for 35 years. They had the best history of waterborne, and it has been a blessing. It is so easy to use, easier to spray, cleaner. The only thing is it takes a little while longer to dry, so get airflow around it, get it to dry, and the results, this is it right here. You can't ask for anything better than this. Well, your waterborne, for some reason, I don't know the chemical reasons why, but they are cleaner and they're more even. You've got less, what you call tiger stripes or blotchiness. There's less of it with waterborne. It's amazing. You put it on, and you don't put it on wet. You're kind of misting it on, and when it dries, it's beautiful. And then you put your clear coat over the top of it, color sand and rub it, and it's another step in making our job easier. And like I said, that's the ultimate goal. We want to come after the Ridler Award. And to have the team that I have at Foose Design, where we're absolutely trying to build our best to make people's dreams come true, this is where we want to share it with the world. If you want to do your best, use the best. That's BASF.